Hi everyone, I'm Scott Lawler, estate planning and corporate business law attorney, providing you with important information about your family and your business. Today I'd like to talk about a service that very few estate planning attorneys provide their clients, and that is a client maintenance program. Yesterday was Leap Day, which you know comes once every 4 years. My bet is that if you were to compare your life today to your life 4 years ago, you would see a number of significant changes. Think about it. 4 years ago, the pandemic was starting to hit and we were on the verge of a lockdown. This changed everyone's life. So if you have completed your estate plan, which is very important to ensure you and your family's financial well-being and peace of mind, what do you do about changes in your life that can happen every year? And how do you know if there are any changes in the law that affect your estate plan? This is where a client maintenance program comes in. This is a tool I use with my clients to make sure that changes that occur in their lives are reflected in their plans, so their plans are properly maintained. Below, I've listed a full list of all the services included in my maintenance program, but here are some of the most significant services. Unlimited phone calls and emails with me to answer any questions you may have, a full trust review, trust funding audit and updates, a meeting with me and you and your key advisors, such as your accountant and financial advisor, updates to your documents, such as your trustees, your guardians, powers of attorney, and beneficiaries. All of these services are provided for one annual fee, so you don't have to worry about expensive attorney hourly rates. If you want to know more about this program, or you are ready to start on your own estate plan, use the link below to schedule a call with me. Until then, take care.